Hello, this is going to be a navigation video for PSD Global Academy's middle school science. So when you start, you'll start in Blackboard and you'll go to the science page. I chose to start on 6th grade just to demonstrate, but you'd be in whatever grade level was appropriate. And I just picked a random week in the fall to take an in-depth look at so you can kind of see how a typical week might go. The format, so you get up on the Blackboard, you're going to read the announcements, and this is Monday morning, you're reading your learning targets and agenda for the whole week. So you're going to see the learning targets at the very top, then essential questions for the week. And then you're going to get into all your assignments. So the first thing you should do for each class is to fill out a planner. So write out what you're going to do for science and math, social studies, and so on. Then when you're ready to actually start your social or science work, you're going to read, so we'll start on Monday. And this one, it's a discovery education chapter. So if I was going to complete this, I would use my bookmark up here to open discovery education. I'd find the chapter and do the reading, notes, and questions. And there's a separate discovery education video that can show that in more detail. Once I completed that, I always want to, if I look ahead, if there's any extra notes. So right here I wrote, look ahead to Wednesday's work. The density column assignment requires some supplies at home. Make sure you talk to your learning coach about it. So occasionally we'll be doing experiments or hands-on things at home, always with common supplies you would find at home. But I always try to give you a heads up so you can double check that you have the assignments you need. So let's move on to Wednesday. Right here you see a BB, and then on number 2 you see DE and BB, and number 3 you see BB. Those stand for Blackboard and Discovery Education, respectively. So it's telling you where the assignment is. So for Wednesday, number 1, BB, this is an assignment I can find on Blackboard. So I'd go up, I'd find the unit we were working on. This is in the Matter, Properties and States unit. I'm going to open it in a new tab just to keep the announcements open, but you wouldn't have to. And I would find that assignment, click on the link, and in this case it's a Google form, so I would just go through and answer the questions. For the second assignment on Wednesday, it says DENBB. So that's saying it's in Discovery Education as well as Blackboard. So I would go back to Discovery Education using my link. I would open the correct unit and chapter, and I'd follow these directions, click on Explore, then Explore More Resources to find the assignment I need. So I try to be very clear in the announcement, so make sure you read it in detail if you're confused, and email me if you need to. And then because this one you need to answer questions on the Blackboard as well, so I'd go back up here and I would find Sink or Float Exploration. So in this case it's a Word doc you need to open and fill out and then attach by clicking on the assignment title. And uploading it here after you've saved it onto your computer. Alright, going back to announcements. The third assignment was this density column assignment. So we'd find it and open it the same way we just did with the other 2 assignments. And then you'd have directions. In this case, you would be building a liquid density column, taking a picture, and submitting it on Blackboard. Alright, for the last assignment, Friday, skipping Thursday would be an in-class day. On Friday, it says open the assignment Mobile Matters Virtual Lab and follow the directions there. So you'd find the assignment, complete it, and submit it on Blackboard. But the lab itself is in Discovery Education, so that's why it says DENBB. If you were wanting to check your grades, this is the same in all classes. You would click on My Grades, links right here. Just has some of our commonly used links and just fun resources. So that's something else to take a look at, or we'll take a look at during the school year. Alright, if you have any questions on navigating and finding things on our Science Blackboard page, please let me know. And please also watch the Discovery Education video to get a better idea of how to complete assignments on Discovery Education. Thank you.